there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community. Today, story topic is Matilda, the mouse hero.
In a bustling village nestled between rolling hills and deep forests, lived a most unlikely hero. Matilda was a small, unassuming mouse with a knack for curiosity and a heart filled with adventure. Despite her tiny size, the village elder often marveled at her ability to make the biggest impact in the most unexpected ways. Each day, Matilda would wander the pathways of the village, her whiskers twitching as she observed the hustle of human life around her. The villagers, mostly unaware of her presence, went about their activities, milling grains, tending to livestock, and repairing worn thatched roofs. Among these villagers was a farmer named Harold, known for his burly build and brawny demeanor. Underneath his gruff exterior, however, lay a fear that he kept well hidden. He was utterly petrified of snakes. The village, though tranquil, was situated near a lush forest teeming with wildlife, including serpents that would occasionally wander into fields and gardens. Recently, these slithering guests had become bolder, even curling up in cozy corners of barns and homes. This escalating snake problem became the talk of the village, filling many with unease, particularly Harold, whose barn had turned into a favorite spot for these uninvited guests. One sunny morning, as Matilda was enjoying a stroll after a breakfast of crumbs left by the baker's window, she overheard a conversation between Harold and his neighbor murmuring about the snake problem. Her small ears perked up, intrigued by the challenge it presented. Driven by a mix of curiosity and the desire to help, Matilda decided to investigate the barn that had become notorious for its serpentine dwellers. Silent as the whispers of the wind, Matilda slipped through a tiny crack in the wooden structure. Inside, the barn was dim and musty. She assessed the situation, noting the dried hay bales and the unmistakable scales shimmering under a stray beam of sunlight filtering through the rafters. Around her, the snakes lay coiled, seemingly unbothered by her presence. Matilda's mind whirred with ideas. She recalled tales from her mouse ancestors about the fearsome reputation of cats among their kind. Cats were known to be natural predators of snakes, but no cat ever ventured into this part of the village. In a stroke of brilliance, Matilda realized her tiny size and quick reflexes could serve as a surprising advantage. She began to scurry in zigzags across the barn floor, creating shadows that danced like a dozen cats. Her movement was rapid and unpredictable, a spectacle that rattled the snakes from their slumber. The serpents, unused to such a flurry of motion and confusion, started to retreat cautiously, seeking quieter confines far from the chaotic mimicry. With each passing day, Matilda repeated her act of bravery, instilling a habitual sense of vigilance among the snakes. Eventually, the barn was snake-free, a fact that restored peace and normalcy to Harold's life and the village as a whole. Harold, though never comprehending the true reason behind the departure of the snakes, was grateful for the sudden change. The story of the mouse who tamed the snakes spread far and wide. Matilda became a silent guardian of the village, her tiny shadow forever etching a legacy of courage among the village folks. And thus, in her own modest way, Matilda proved that even the smallest creatures can turn the tide against adversity with creativity, courage, and a bit of clever tact.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.